What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to do this really cute, really easy protective style, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys all the things that you will be needing. You will need a detangling brush, you will need a toothbrush, you will also need some hairpins just in case, and you will need some elastic bands. You will also need some rubber bands, and let me see what else. You'll need a rat tail comb, and you'll need 1 pack of Marley hair. I think that's it. Oh, and you'll need some edge control, your favorite edge control. So you're going to find the middle of your hair. So you're going to go like here. So once you find the middle of your hair, to do this middle braid, you go ahead and you secure all your hair. And you detangle this part. Start with the ends and then work your way up. Braid it all the way down, but you braid it like up to right here. That's fine. And then you're going to take the rest of your hair out, and you're going to take one small section in the front, like so, and then you're going to take one small section in the front on the other side. Let me just secure this. And start from one section. So the first thing you're going to do is detangle this section. Control, not much, like at least right here. And then you're going to start to braid. So you're going to braid from right here, starting right here. And then you don't braid it all the way down. Just braid it up to right here. Right here. And then you do the same thing on this side. You take this part out, and what you're going to do is you're going to smooth right here as best as you can. Pull your hair back. Pull your hair back. And you could put it high if you want. You could put it low. I like it to be like right here. Okay. So it's secure. Make sure it's not too tight. Oops. Let me show you. I'll push the elastic band through, and then I'll push this side through it so that it will make like this. And then I take it and I attach it to my hair. You're going to take the mummy hair, put it aside. Let's see. Take the mummy hair, put it aside. 2 really tight braids.
Say what happens, happens for a reason. Then why am I stuck without you by my side? I get high just thinking.
You're going to take the Marley hair, put it like so, and you're going to take this hair and wrap it around. Take a hairpin and secure it. And you can go ahead and secure that with a rubber band. And there you have it, a really cute, really easy protective hairstyle that you can do. It's very simple and really pretty. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I have so many other hairstyle videos. You can definitely check out my natural hair playlist. You'll find all my natural hairstyles there. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.